Hi everyone, I'm Aaron, and today we're diving into the new product line from Veloci Performance Products, our HydroJet high-pressure triplex pumps. These pumps are essential tools used in various industries including car wash, detailing, pressure washing, rental, sewer jetting, hydro excavation, and more. So what exactly is a triplex pump? Well, it's a type of positive displacement pump that features 3 pistons working together. HydroJet pumps are available in 2 different sizes. The first is a 4-gallon per minute and 4,000 psi with a 1-inch hollow shaft. The other pump is a 3-gallon per minute and 2,500 psi with a 3/4-inch hollow shaft. Here are a few of the standout features of HydroJet pumps. These have been in the market for over 30 years. They are very cost-effective and have been proven in the market, having sold many thousands of pumps. Another great aspect is their durability, made from high-quality aluminum, brass, and stainless steel materials. They can withstand the rigors of heavy use. Maintenance is straightforward too, as we carry all the replacement parts, which means less downtime and more productivity. Whether you're a contractor, a cleaner, or just someone who loves DIY projects, these pumps can be a cost-effective and durable choice for your machine. Thanks for joining me today, and happy washing.